White man. How are you? You are fine? Are you sure you're fine? You are very, very sure, right? Okay. So, but white man, look at your leg. See your leg. Yes. Are you seeing what you are wearing? You are seeing it. You are seeing it, right? Okay. So, where did you keep others? Where did you keep others? Where? Where did you keep other sandals? Where? Where did you keep other sandals? Think. Reason very well. Reason and tell me. Why you think? Think. Where did you keep others? I'm waiting. Think. Where are they? Where are they? There? Which there? But I've looked for it everywhere and I don't see them. So which there? Shoe. Shoe, I know. So where did you keep them now? Because you are going to continue wearing those ones like this. I'm not going to buy another shoe, no other sandal for you again. Because after you will carry one and you will throw it, we'll be looking for it everywhere. You will continue to wear like this. Did you hear me? Did you hear me? White man, hold your ears. Good. It's not good to throw your sandals. Did you hear me? Did you hear me? If you throw your sandals next time, if you throw them next time, mommy will beat you. Mommy will beat you very, very well. So make sure you don't throw sandals again, okay? Mommy. Daddy. Which daddy? I'm talking to you. You're telling me about daddy. Mommy. Great is what? Is it great and daddy that we are discussing now? Oh yeah, but again, we are talking about sandal, not great and daddy. Did you hear me? Mommy. Daddy. So you not hear this one I'm saying, right? Mommy. Great. And daddy. Don't worry. Throw your sandal next time. So you will see what I will do to you. In fact, go and find it. You said it's there, right? You said your sandals are there, right? We'll go and find them. Okay, Nkeli. Go and find them. I'm waiting. Where are they now? We can get them there now. There. Oh, yeah, go and get them. Go and get them. Go and get them.